Welcome to our video on international business management. In today's globalized economy, businesses must navigate a complex and ever-changing landscape to succeed in international markets. In this video, we will explore the key strategies for effective international business management. The first strategy is to conduct thorough market research to understand the cultural, economic, and political factors that influence business practices in different countries. This includes understanding the legal and regulatory environment, consumer behavior, and market competition. To gather this information, companies may conduct surveys, focus groups, or partner with local experts to gain insight into the target market. The second strategy is to build strong relationships with local partners and stakeholders, such as suppliers, distributors, and government officials. This can help businesses overcome cultural barriers and establish trust in foreign markets. To effectively communicate with local partners, businesses must also be aware of cultural differences and adapt their communication style accordingly. This includes being aware of nonverbal cues, language barriers, and different business customs. The third strategy is to optimize the supply chain to reduce costs, increase efficiency, and improve quality control. This includes sourcing materials and goods from local suppliers, managing inventory, and implementing logistics strategies to minimize transportation costs. The fourth strategy is to leverage emerging markets and explore new business opportunities. Emerging markets such as China, India, and Brazil offer vast potential for growth, but also present unique challenges such as regulatory barriers, cultural differences, and political instability. To capitalize on these opportunities, businesses must be agile and flexible, and able to adapt to changing market conditions. This requires a proactive approach to risk management, including scenario planning, contingency plans, and crisis management strategies. By implementing these strategies, businesses can achieve sustainable growth and success in international markets. However, this requires a long-term vision, investment in human capital, and a commitment to ethical and responsible business practices. Thank you for watching our video on international business management. We hope this has provided you with valuable insights and strategies for navigating the global business landscape.